There was a boy who's getting tired of his monotonous life, until one day he woke up feeling heavier than usual. He woke up with something inside of him. "What are you and how did you get here?" the boy asked, but there was no reply.
Oh shit, oh shit. Siksik ako na siksik. Wala na akong ginawa kundi magsiksik ng... Ano ba?
Sige, sige. Bye. Kailangan mo ba ng tulong?
Can you please tell me?
Grabe, ang dami mo namang dala.
Oo, dala ko talaga sa buong bahay eh.
UP ka din?
Oo, taga-UP din ako.
UP din ako, bio.
Talaga? Bahay din ako. Ayun. Ayos, di ko na maayos to.
Ganyan ba kabigat buhay mo? Alam mo kasi, may mga bagay na hindi na dapat pinagsisiksikan pa. Masasaktan ka na kung pipilit mo pa.
Sige nga lang, ito na lang tatanggalin ko. Pizza. Gusto mo?
Hindi, sige sa'yo na.
Tara.
Ang baho naman.
Flatulence. Noun. The accumulation of gas in the alimentary canal. Parang love, once na nailabas mo na, mahirap nang itago.
Kailangan mo ba ng tissue?
Sorry. Hindi ko kailangan ng tissue. I don't need tissue. Please stop judging me.
La 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 la. Saan ba galing?
Sa Manila lang galing.
Libre mo nga ako.
Sure.
Doon. Gusto ko doon.
Gano'n ba katagal ito ma-digest?
Importante ba yun?
Medyo.
Ang mahalaga, makakain.
Kaya ka mukhang chicharon.
Narinig na din Nere, sinabi mo, grabe.
Totoo namang.
Grabe. Mastication. Noun. The process of chewing food in preparation for deglutition and digestion. Hindi lang puso ang broken. #Bolus.
Hello, mother!
Anak, saan ka na?
Nasa SM ma, bakit?
Pagkatapos mo nga dyan, punta ka sa palengke. O siya, mawalan na ako ng load. Text mo na lang yung bibilin mo, ha?
Okay. Oy, friends, i-alis na ako ah. Where do broken sweethearts go? Can they find their way home? Back to the old
Deglutition, noun. The act of swallowing food. The movement of bolus posteriorly. Ang hirap talaga ma-fall nang walang sasalo sa'yo, kaya wag mag-assume ha.
You are looking in your eyes, and I know that you still care for me. I've been around enough to know that dreams don't turn to gold, and that there's no easy way. No, you just can't run away.
Very acidic naman to. Mas masarap pa yung Pepsi.
Pepsin, noun. The principal proteolytic enzyme of vertebrate gastric juice. Maasim, madalas gastric juice, mas madalas ugali mo.
Atay, bladder, pancreas. Saan ako makakahanap doon?
Minsan kasi nasa harapan mo na, sa iba ka pa nakatingin.
Mind reader si Atay. Ang mahal naman nito.
Lahat na lang nagmamahal. Siya na lang hindi.
Heartbroken si Ating.
Isaw, noun. A street food made from barbecued pork or chicken intestines. Ang pag-ibig, parang isaw. Minsan masarap, minsan mapait.
Sana makaisip na ako ng topic sa Anipil! Mother, ito yung pancreas mo. Ano?
Alam mo na ba yung balita?
Ano na eh?
Yung ex-girlfriend mo nasa ospital. May sakit daw sa colon.
Naku na, pastis pa. Alutan ko na siya. Pero colon?
Stoma, Greek meaning opening or mouth. Noun. A surgical opening that connects the large intestine to the outside of the abdomen, providing a pathway for exit of waste. May mga bagay na hindi mo talaga mapipigilan, kusa na lang narating. Hashtag ikaw, heart heart.
There was a boy who was getting tired of his monotonous life, until one day he woke up feeling happier than usual. He woke up with something inside of him. "What are you and how did you get here?" the boy asked, but there was no reply. He later embarked on a journey that would unknowingly change his life forever. He enrolled in the BS Biology program. He found out that the thing was called the food. Food travels inside the body. Some part of it is absorbed while some is excreted. The boy found out that food entered through an opening, the mouth, and there he was cut, crushed, ground. "So how did you get here?" the boy asked. I fell into a tube named esophagus. Then boom, I'm here." The boy fell asleep for hours. When he woke up, he was shocked of what he saw. "Where is food?" the boy asked. "I am food," You can't fool me, you are semi-liquid, the boy said. Things change, people move on. I am no longer the food you once knew. I am now transformed. I am kind. Okay, what brought you up? Your transformation, the boy asked. Contraction, acid, pain. You know what? There are actually two types of pain in the world. Pain that hurts you and pain that changes you. So Khan continued with his travel. He went to different places. What are they? The boy asked. Enzymes, Food said. There are different kinds of enzymes, but never the same enzyme twice, Food said. I see. Enzymes from the gallbladder, liver, and pancreas? Good, you are improving. I shall go now, Food said as he entered the small intestine. So my journey of 25 feet begins here. Inside, food is further broken down into smallest units. Furthermore, it is where the nutrients are absorbed. What's happening? You're transforming again. Don't judge my path. If you haven't walked my journey, Food said. My journey will mold me for your greater good, Food added. Hey, you are already dehydrated. That's normal. One day I'll be what you need. But you don't have to wait for too long. There's no need to rush. What's meant for you will always arrive at the right time, Food reminded. Okay, I'll wait, the boy assured.
Malapit na matapos yung kwento ko. Bali, last part na lang. Pero, teka. Where to digested food ko? Tatay lang ako, ha?
Start twerking like Miley. Twerking like Miley. Start.
Ba't di pa patulan ang pagsuyong na kulang? Tayo umaasang hilag at kanluran. Ikaw ang handugan at bilang kanlungan mo. Ko ang sasagip sa'yo.
Start twerking like Miley.
looking like